Solve the formula for x. 4x minus 3y equals negative 5. When you're asked to solve the formula for a specific variable, what this means is you are asked to get that variable by itself. And I have our x in the red box because that's the one we're going to be getting by itself. Notice that there are two things that we need to move to the other side of the equal sign in order for our x to be by itself. Those two things are negative 3y and this positive 4. Now one may get confused as of which one to remove first. And there are two simple rules. If you have addition or subtraction present and you need that to go to the other side, that will come first. Remove first. If you have multiplication or division present in your equation that you need to remove, that will be coming after addition or subtraction, so remove second. Well, let's go back to our equation. The 4 that is attached to x by multiplication versus the negative 3y that is attached to our x by subtraction. Well, subtraction will come before multiplication. So here we go. We need to remove minus 3y first. We need to move it to the other side. To move something to the other side of the equal sign, I need to do the opposite of what I see. If I see subtraction, that means it will go to the other side by addition. So I'm going to take this minus 3y, drag it to the other side, and add it. So now here's what I have left. I still have my 4x. I used to have minus 3y, but I moved it. Then I have this equal sign here. Then I have my minus 5 and plus 3y. Well, I still need my x to be by itself, so I need to remove the 4. Now 4 is multiplication, so to move it to the other side, I need to do the opposite, which would be division. So I'll divide this left side by 4, which cancels the 4's and leaves me with just the x, which is exactly what I wanted. Then my equal sign. And on the other side, you have two options. You can be dividing the entire side by 4, like so, and that would be your answer. Or you can divide each term by 4 separately, and then that is your answer. With the second option, you have a chance of potentially simplifying one or both of the fractions. This is not the case here because 5 and 4 here with the first fraction have nothing in common, and 3 and 4 have nothing in common here, so we cannot simplify. But let's say the 5 was not a 5 but was an 8. And in that case, you would have 8 over 4 and you can simplify it to a 2. However, this is not our case, and you can write the answer one of two ways. Either negative 4 over 5 plus 3y over 4, or you can say negative 5 plus 3y, that's on top, and one single 4 is at the bottom. Those answers are identical.